New banner for the shop. Just need a couple other things to go on each side, and that wall will be all set. That is 3 by 5, and man, you know, I could have got it even bigger, but I thought that would be plenty, so there it is. And there it is. So I just have to go back and watch my winter projects video so I can remember the jobs I wanted to get done on this thing and get started on this in the next week or two. January's coming up, guys. Before you know it, it's going to be springtime. We'll all be back on the road. Catch you later.